Okay, everyone, all fire alarm pull stations in public schools absolutely must have stopper covers over them, especially with those in student hallways, cafeterias, gymnasiums, libraries, and classrooms. Even in parts of the school where students are not allowed to be in, to protect the alarm in those areas. In areas of the school where there are a lot of students and tampering is a big deal, stopper covers with built in alarms. And in those areas where tampering is not a big deal, stopper covers with no alarms. To be on the nice list, stopper covers are a must. Why do stopper covers prevent false fire alarms from being pulled? Is because if somebody is trying to pull the fire alarm without a fire or without authorization, they will lift the cover and then an alarm goes off. Now, not an alarm in the building, just right there at the cover. So people will know that somebody is messing with the system. So you go to lift that thing, and then you and everyone around you will hear, and you will either run away or put it back because the person is looking at it. So you can't just go up and pull the fire alarm. Now, when there is a real fire, make sure you lift the cover and then you pull the box on the inside. Only lifting the cover does not cause the fire alarm system to activate. That alarm on the cover is there to deter pranksters from pulling the fire alarm for fun. Bye!